by energy. Now, President Trump just made comments moments ago. Let's listen in.
Completed a negotiation with China. We're doing very well. We're having another one tomorrow. I'm meeting with the vice premier over at the White House, and I think it's going really well. I will say, I think it's going really well. So we had a very, very good negotiation with China. They'll be speaking a little bit later, but they're basically wrapping it up, and we're going to see them tomorrow right here, and it's going very well.
Mr. President, sir, what conversation?
What happened? Who took $900,000? I hope it's not true that Joe Biden took $900,000. I haven't heard that. I hope it's not true. For the sake of the country, I hope that's not true. But I don't know anything about it.
Mr. President, sir. Mr. President.
What? Who? I don't know, but I know the whistleblower has been very inaccurate, because when we released the transcript of the conversation that I had with the president of Ukraine, who frankly today was very good, somewhere in Ukraine, I guess, gave a news conference on unrelated things, was asked a question, and he said President Trump behaved in a perfectly fine manner. There was nothing wrong in any way, shape, or form, something to that effect. So I appreciate that. But the president of Ukraine, that should be case over, because the president of Ukraine said that call was absolutely fine. I think he said that it resembled very much, that he remembered it. It was just like the transcript. Now, the transcript is a perfect transcript. There shouldn't be any further questions. But the president of Ukraine just made that statement, so that's good.
Mr. President, sir, what conversations have you had with Lev Parnas and Igor Fruman?
I don't know those gentlemen.
You're in pictures
Now, it's
with
possible I have a picture with them, because I have a picture with everybody. I have a picture with everybody here. But somebody said there may be a picture or something where at a fundraiser or somewhere. But I have pictures with everybody.
Have you talked with them?
I don't know if there's anybody I don't have pictures with. I don't know them. I don't know about them. I don't know what they do. But I don't know. Maybe they were clients of Rudy. You'd have to ask Rudy. I just don't know.
As far as it comes to Syria, sir.
No. Well, I don't know how you can impeach on a conversation with the president of a country, in this case Ukraine, which was a perfect conversation, where the president of Ukraine just said there was no pressure put on him whatsoever, that we had a absolutely perfect conversation. Then on top of that, and maybe less importantly, frankly, but on top of that, we have a transcript of the conversation, fortunately, that's perfect. And I do think this, I think it's very unfair to heads of countries when they think every time they make a conversation or have a conversation with the president of the United States, it's going to be on, all over the world. I think that's very unfair. But in the case of what we're talking about, we released a perfect conversation. The president of Ukraine just confirmed that, and that should be case over. I will say this, Adam Schiff took that conversation before he saw it and fabricated a conversation. To me, that's criminal. What he did is criminal.
Mr. President, on Joe Biden, sir.
I just don't think you're running a country. I just don't think...
President Trump speaking just there. Let's get to Eamon. Liu He, the Chinese vice premier, is leaving his meeting. We're going to come to Eamon in a moment. There it is. As the president just said, he said the talks went very well, confirmed that they would continue tomorrow and indeed continue at the White House, no less. A big change from shortly after the market closed yesterday, when it was expected that the Chinese delegation could leave tonight. That hasn't happened. We had a strong market performance today. We're up a little bit after hours, of course, on thin volume. Eamon Javers joins us at the White House with some key takeaways from those comments from the president.
Yeah, Wilfred, we're really reduced to looking at the body language here of these negotiators as they come in and out of the rooms. Do they look happy? Do they seem like they're getting to a deal? The president there just saying that things are going very well, saying that he thinks they're all but wrapped up at this point, and he's going to go ahead with that meeting in the Oval Office tomorrow. So presumably we'll get some more information there. The president not saying they've gotten to a deal, but saying negotiators basically finished their work today, and he's going to meet with Leo He tomorrow. So we'll see, as the president likes to say, what happens tomorrow. Positive, mood music from the president today and people around him, but not a lot of specifics there from the president of the United States, Wilfred.
But Eamon, as of course Kayla's been reporting throughout the day, we wouldn't be having a meeting in the White House, in the Oval Office, with cameras presumably in there as well, unless there was going to be a positive tone expected to come from that. Yeah, that's absolutely right. They wouldn't set these people up, the principals up for failure like that. So the fact that that meeting is still scheduled to be going on, the president is talking about it, that's a positive sign for those who want to get to a deal. That can change. Schedules can change at a moment's notice, but the president is saying right now that meeting is on. If you're looking for a positive outcome of some kind here, that's a good sign.